Welcome to this demonstration of decentralized AI at the edge. For this, we are using Liquid AI's Nano model, which is basically a hybrid attention mechanism. Therefore, we get reasoning directly on wire. I created a small lab that has two NX-OS switches performing BGP peer with each other, LFM closely monitoring syslogs and routing table state. In this architecture, we have decentralized two-tier reasoning. Instead of sending massive raw telemetry to LLM, edge agents, which are running LFM-Nano as containers inside the Cisco NX-OS, perform local inferencing. They identify specific insights and report them to a centralized LLM for final reasoning and a consolidated root cause analysis. Let's take a deeper look under the hood. We are going to pull the AI insights directly from Docker logs of our Nexus AI agents. I will enable this on each device one by one. So we can see how the LFM Nano model is analyzing syslogs and route changes in real time at the edge. To trigger a failure, we will point the BGP peer route on switch 1 to null 0. As the BGP session drops, the edge AI on switch 1 immediately notices the correlation between the neighbor going down and specific route insertion. Here is where local intelligence helps. The agent analyzes the routing changes and the neighbor loss simultaneously. It then outputs a precise insight the BGP peer is down due to a static black hole, giving us why behind the failure immediately. Simultaneously, switch 2 reports a neighbor loss due to a whole timer expiry. It doesn't see the local configuration change on switch 1, but it sends its perspective to the center. With all the edge data in hand, the centralized LLM begins its reasoning process. It runs a comprehensive blast radius analysis to see how far the issue has spread, correlating the distributed insights from every node in the topology. Within seconds, it filters through the data to pinpoint the exact manual misconfiguration on switch, giving us a clear path to recovery without a single minute spent on manual log shifting. It performs a blast radius analysis, connecting the dots between the switch 1 and switch 2 to identify that the root cause is specifically that manual route change we just performed. This two-tier approach minimizes the troubleshooting time. The centralized AI doesn't have to look through thousands of logs it receives. Instead, a high-level reasoning directly from the edge helps identify the root cause and provides the remediation. In this case, simply removing the null zero route to restore the connectivity. Thank you for watching.